So how can you make the Google Sheet app link on the iPhone? Let's get started. And if this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the Sheet app from Google can be used to browse your Excel, like the spreadsheets files within your Google Sheet, right? And if you would like to share individual files through a link, like create the link for those like files specifically, you can locate them within the Sheets application like that and click on the more options next to it. So tap on the three dots like this and you will have more things which are going to appear. So you can click on share and share it directly through the like Google services by adding the Gmail address there. Or you can also copy the link and you can just see that the link has been copied. You can open it up somewhere else, perhaps share it over a message or email, or just type it into your like web browser and have the link right there. And once you have it in the web browser, like accessing it through the link, you can also click on the three dots within a Safari, click on share, and even add the link to your home screen. So you'll be able to access it directly from this shortcut icon on the home screen. So if that is what you're going after, you can see that we can get it done through this type of link. But if you had something else in mind, most definitely let me know about that in the comments because I'll definitely make an updated video about it. So thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for upcoming videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.